Hello again. In this video, I would like to share on how to become happy all the time. I bet you want to know on how to be happy. We are looking for happiness. Like, who don't want to be happy, right? Everyone wants to be happy. So today, I would like to share some secrets on how to be happy. We have this kind of weird belief that I'll be happy when I have a baby. I'll be happy when I have a boyfriend. I'll be happy when I have a big house. We have this belief that happiness is a destination. The truth is, there is no such thing as happy place. You can decide to be happy. Tell yourself that you are choosing to be happy and live in this moment. Don't wait to be happy. Live in this moment and decide to be happy right now. There is no guarantee that we will be here 2 to 3 years from now. We don't know when will be our last time. So we have to be happy right now. Don't tell yourself that I'll be happy when I have a baby, when I'll be rich, when I have a partner, when I look good, when I'll be skinny, when I have a boyfriend. Because you know what you're doing, you give them power to your happiness and don't let it happen. Your happiness is your own responsibility. Happiness is an inside job. It's within you. Decide to be happy right now. Live in this moment, wherever you are and whatever your circumstances in life. Decide to be happy. I mean, look at the children. They love rain and they love to play because they live in the moment. So decide to be happy right now. Don't wait to be happy. Our happiness shouldn't depend on anyone. We shouldn't wait for people to be good to us or for them to compliment us or tell us to be happy. We are happy on our own. Remember, happiness is a habit that you can cultivate on a daily basis. Happiness is not a destination. Rather, it's a state of being.